Hey guys, are you seeing an abnormal package status on a Shein tracking page? Don't panic. I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it step by step. This message usually means that your package has been flagged due to a delay, lost tracking, or customs issue. It's not lost, just temporarily held or rerouted. Go to the Me section, go to Orders, tap on your order, and review tracking details. If there are no updates for 3 to 5 days, continue to the next step. In this case, I don't have any orders, so you have to continue to the settings. Tap support in your order details and report the abnormal status. Shein may launch an investigation with the courier, offer a refund or reshipment depending on how long the delay has lasted. Shein might email you with options like confirming your address or choosing a refund. Make sure to respond promptly to avoid delays. And that's how you fix an abnormal package error on Shein. Stay calm, stay in touch with support, and the package will be back on track in no time. Like this video if it helped you, hit the subscribe button for more Shein fixes.